Hello everyone. Welcome back to the beach. Today, I'm taking you on a calm little walk by the shore. The sun is shining, and the weather feels perfect. Just walk with me for a while and let's relax together. Look around. People are walking. Some are jogging. Some are just sitting and talking with friends. The only sound you can really hear besides the voices is the ocean waves, and that's what makes this place so peaceful. I love walking here with no destination, just giving myself a small break from the noise of everyday life. Do you see the sand? Every step feels different. Some people come here for the sunshine, some for the breeze, but honestly, I come here for the feeling that life can still be simple. Sometimes just one quiet minute here can change your whole mood. Families come here with their kids, and the laughter of children makes the place even more alive. Others come alone, just to think, and that's okay too. The beach fits every mood. I remember once coming here with my mother-in-law. She sat watching the waves, smiling, and saying random funny things. At first, I didn't get it, but then I realized, it's these little moments that stay with you forever. Even the simplest words can turn into memories. If your day feels heavy, just come here. Walk for 10 minutes, and you'll feel something inside you clear up. You don't have to do everything at once. Think of it as a break for your mind. Listen closely to the waves. Steady, endless, calming. And the breeze in your hair, the salty smell in the air, all of this has a quiet power. Tell me in the comments, are you a morning person or a night person? Do you like the sunrise or the sunset at the beach? I honestly love both, but sunsets have a special magic. Let me know your favorite time by the sea. Thank you for walking with me today. If you enjoyed this little journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next beach walk. See you soon. Bye.